Hey everyone, the iPhone 17 is here. In this video, I will give you a quick first look on all the colors and pricing and the features of new iPhone 17. Let's waste no more time and let's get started. The first up is the black. As usual, it is sleek, bold and classic and perfect for professional look and minimal fingerprint visibility. The next is the white, which is a clean, elegant, and timeless, giving the pure Apple minimalist vibe. Then is the sage, soft muted green that feels fresh and calming. And the next is the mist blue, the light, airy, sophisticated with a hint of shimmer that catches the light beautifully. And finally, the lavender, soft, playful, and stylish, and stand out without being too flashy. Some of the key highlights are a 48 megapixel dual fusion camera system, 18 megapixel center stage front camera with 6.3-inch display with ProMotion up to 120 Hz. Ceramic Shield 2 for 3x better scratch resistance and up to 11 hours of video playback. The A19 chip makes it fast with excellent CPU and GPU performance. The storage starts at 256 GB and goes all the way up to 512 GB. The pricing starts at Singapore $1299 for 256 GB and goes all the way up to 1600 Singapore dollars for 512 GB storage. My first impression, the colors are premium and balanced. The design feels solid and the performance is top notch for the price. What do you guys think about the new iPhone 17 colors and its key features? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Thank you for watching iTech.